shooting like that? Rat-a-tat-tat. Why they shooting like that? Rat-a-tat-tat. Why they shooting like that? Rat-a-tat-tat. Why they shooting like that? They're all gonna get it in the head. 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 Rat-a-tat-tat. Why they shooting like that? The rhymes that I rock, I got a rap for Iraq. Taking up the slack till the troops come back. Inside a rack with a helmet for a hat. Machine guns gunning, regime starts running. It seems I'm done and it seems so stunning. See a man shooting at me. Hear a man just like me. With a fam just like me. Don't understand why he dislike me. Then again, he could be my friend and even again with the same color skin. It doesn't matter whose side you choose, cause in the end we're all gonna lose. Oh well, war is hell. Just another crazy war story to tell. Yell. World is flying. People dying. Bombs keep dropping on our children. They're all gonna get it. They're all gonna get it. They're all gonna get it. They're all on our children. Mama, mama, they're taking me away. They ain't trying to hear what Jimmy gotta say. Papa, papa, I'm trying to be a man in a foreign land, machine gun in my hand. Politics, and this is what I get. Presidents, and this is what I get. Delegates, and this is what I get. I wanna represent, but it is making me sick. They say that they feel for me, but the reality isn't real for me. For democracy, they say still for me. Give me a gun and say kill for me. I'm insane, you insane. Who says we're insane? Oh well, war is hell. Just another crazy war story to tell. Yell. World is flying. People dying. Bombs keep dropping on our children. They're all gonna get it. They're all gonna get it. They're all gonna get it. They're all on our children.
I was the third this 13th floor when blood and fuel melted down my door. You could have watched me free fall and scream and burn, but you watched and learn. I was the 13th row of flight 13, sitting, sweating, waiting to be slammed unmercifully into the side of my destiny. I'm the 13th brick on the pyramid of the dollar bill. I'm the third stone from the sun, the third bullet shot from a gun from the 13th regiment in the 3rd platoon. But now I come back with 3 fingers, but I really only need one to tell you how I feel.